A screen displays the ticker information for Fiat Chrysler Automobiles NV of the Post, where it's traded on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange in New York City, U.S., January 12, 2016. Reuters Brendan McDermott Washington Reuters Fiat Chrysler Automobiles NV FCHA.mi said Tuesday it will recall 494,000 medium and heavy-duty Ram pickup trucks worldwide because of a water pump that could overheat and potentially cause a fire. The recall includes 20,132,017 model year Ram 2500 and 3500 pickup trucks with 6.7-liter diesel engines, including 443,000 vehicles in the United States. Fiat Chrysler said it is not aware of any injuries related to the issue, but has reports of a small number of fire-related incidents. The company will inspect and potentially replace the water pump. Reporting by David Shepardson or Standards Thomson Reuters Trust Principles.